welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited because we are going to be trying out the new Dominique Cosmetics Beautiful Mess liquid eyeshadows, and I am so excited. There is a little bit of everything for everyone. There's a little bit of bright colors. I think there's a duochrome, there's a natural color. You guys, liquid shadows are totally in right now. So in this video, not only am I going to be giving you guys swatches, I'm also going to be giving you guys a complete eye look. I am so excited for this. If you're new around here, welcome. My name is Jackie. I'm so glad you're here. If you like the vibe, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as I like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you guys want to come back and watch them. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I zoomed you in just a tiny bit so you can see a little better, but this is it. This is the box that contains all 6 shades. It does have a magnetic clasp, and it is clearly a box that you could save and reuse. So I love that because sometimes packaging can be very wasteful. Again, I don't like to collect too much packaging anymore because it gets, you know, to be a lot in my drawers, but that is a thought. On the inside of the box it says be your own kind of beautiful, and it just says like Dominique Cosmetics, and then you have all the 6 shades laid out here very beautifully. So I did pay $96 for this box, but you can buy these individually for $20 a piece. So I went ahead and I took out 2 of the boxes so you could see the 2 box variations. I went on the website and I didn't really see anything that, I don't know, kind of separates the 2. I'm assuming maybe once we swatch them we could see a little bit more of a difference, but the website itself didn't say like this box is this and that box is that. So again, you can buy these $20 a piece. So the unicarton has a little peekaboo of the shade inside, and then it just has the logo and the name in the front. So I will be showing you all of these in just a moment, but I just wanted you to see the packaging. It is simple and sleek, and then the little logo has a little bit of holographic, and I don't know, I think it's really cute and simple. When you open it up, you see you get a doe foot applicator, and then in the back it just says, again, be your own kind of beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to show you these in pairs of 3 because I think I figured out why the boxes are the colors that they are. So if you have more of the colorful box, it is going to be one of these 3 shades, and it looks like all 3 of them are kind of like duochromes or multi-chrome because the center one looks like a couple different colors. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera. And now these ones, if you see these colors on the boxes, then it's more of like a solid color. Even though it has shimmer, there's no like duochromeness to it. Okay, so going with the first 3 shades, I'm just going to keep moving it. Starting from this way down, we have Electric Soul, Pretty Wild, and Cold Hearted. And as you can see, all 3 of these shift in color. They're so bright. I hope that the camera is doing them justice. Okay, so next we have these 3 shades. This is Vibey Vixen, Daydream, and Shy Girl. I believe this is the only one that doesn't have any kind of shimmer in it. Okay, you guys, so I showed you all the swatches, and now I need to get into these because I'm super excited. So to help create this look, I'm just going to go in with my RawBeautyKristi X PüR Palette, and I might dip into both sides. Again, neutral, and we have a colored side. I did a full review on this palette. I can link it down below for you guys so you guys can check it out if you're interested. So I'm going to go... I think I'm going to go with the orange one for sure. If I can add one of the other ones in, I will, but the orange one was just everything to me. So we're going to go in with the first shade. I'm going to go ahead and pop up the shades up on the screen for you guys. And I'm just taking this first shade on an M504. So I'm just going to blend that all in here into my crease as my first transition shade. Blend it out, make sure it's nicely dispersed everywhere. Then I'm going to flip my palette over, and we're going to go into Am I Orange, same brush, and I'm just going to put that a little bit lower. And the same thing, I'm just kind of stamping and blending. So now I'm going to take my L17 from Laura Lee Los Angeles, and I'm going into the white, and I'm just going to use that white as my brow bone highlight. I want it nice and bright. Okay, so I zoomed you in quite a bit, that way you guys could see how this applies. I hope that I can stay out of your way here. And I'm just going to take it in with the doe foot applicator, try to shape the way that I want. And if I feel like I need to go in with a brush, I will. I don't know if I'm going to blend it out yet. Let's just go through the journey together. So I'm just going to start it off here. You guys, I feel like the camera is not doing this color justice at all. Okay, you guys, so those are already dry, and you guys, what I love about liquid eyeshadows, most of them, some of them do still transfer, but for the most part, once they're dried down, and it doesn't transfer, the shimmer doesn't transfer, anything like that, and I love that because I don't always like to sit there cutting my crease. So I'm gonna get a little crazy, I think, and I'm gonna go in with Vibey Vixen. That is the purple one. I'm gonna actually, I don't know what I want to do, because I kind of just want to dab in a little bit. I don't want to exaggerate too much. So I think I'm gonna take it on the back of a brush first, and then we'll see how that goes. And I'm just gonna pop it in here.
Get a drum as a toy for Christmas. Was one of the greatest innovators.
And I'm gonna kind of blend it together. I'm gonna take it on the little doe foot here. I'm just gonna dab on a little bit more. Sorry, I don't want to move my eye too much. I know it'd be looking weird here. I'm just gonna go in blending. Okay guys, sorry. I cut out here when I was applying the thing. So now I'm just gonna come in here with the orange and try to ombre the end a little bit, just so it's like a little peekaboo of the purple. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I finished that up. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply the rest of my makeup, put a little something down at the bottom, and then I'll be back to show you a full look, and then also to give you my final thoughts on these beautiful mess liquid eyeshadows. I almost said eyeliner. Eyeshadow. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so that was the full look up close. I hope that you guys love it as much as I do. I realized as I was doing the rest of my makeup that it's very Halloween-esque, and I'm like, yes, because we're ready for the best time of the year. For us, it's about the end of September to January. Both of my mom's birthdays are in January. Anyway, you guys, the collection is absolutely gorgeous. I do want to say that this blue one right here was a little bit on the softer side. Sorry, I'm going orange because I'm waving this up in the air. But the blue one, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that pop of blue, just how you see it in the little tube. I feel like maybe it's supposed to be a baby blue. I'm not really sure, but the rest of them are all super pigmented and I absolutely love them. I will say the purple one, again, that was Vibey Vixen. It is beautiful in the shimmer shade, but if you do blend it out, it does lose some of that shimmer, so just keep that in mind. But you guys, I absolutely love these. Minus the blue one, I feel like these are very much like one swipe or whatever it's called now, where you don't need to go in there and like add too much. I hope that the orange comes off like it looks in person, because it's absolutely beautiful. Like, the orange one is my favorite. If you did purchase these, let us know down below your thoughts. Do you love them as much as I do? Hopefully you do. Anyway, you guys, before I let you guys go, I just want to give you guys my lip concoction really quickly. I have a little bit of Coqueta Lip Liner as always, but I really didn't want it to show at all. I just wanted, honestly, to just help me with my guide. But I went in with the Maria Liquid Lip, and this is from PüR Cosmetics. And then right in the center, I put a little bit of Topless. This is from Laura Lee Los Angeles. It's a liquid lipstick as well. But yeah, guys, that is going to be it from me. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will see you guys in my next one. Adios!